What if there was a natural remedy that could transform your health in just 7 days? Seniors, this one's for you. Imagine waking up pain-free, sleeping soundly, and seeing healthier, more youthful skin in the mirror. It might sound unbelievable, but today, I'm sharing something truly life-changing: castor oil. Now, why does this matter for seniors like you? As we age, finding gentle and natural solutions becomes more important than ever. Castor oil provides that relief, supporting your body's needs without the heavy side effects of medications. It's simple to use, cost-effective, and can fit seamlessly into your daily routine. Think of it as your new go-to for a healthier, more vibrant you. Relief from joint pain, a top priority. Joint pain is one of the most common challenges as we age, whether it's from arthritis or years of wear and tear. But here's where castor oil shines: it's a powerful anti-inflammatory that can help reduce discomfort in your joints. A study published in Phytotherapy Research showed that individuals with knee osteoarthritis experienced significant relief after using castor oil. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil is what makes it so effective at easing pain. To get the most out of it, warm some castor oil, gently massage it into the affected joints, and cover the area with a cloth. Let it sit for an hour to allow deeper penetration and more effective relief. Better sleep, natural sleep aid for restful nights. Struggling to get a good night's sleep? Castor oil may be the natural sleep aid you've been searching for. With its calming properties, it can help reduce insomnia and promote more restful sleep, something that becomes increasingly important as we age. Research shows that castor oil can have a mild sedative effect, helping you relax before bed. The Journal of Ethnopharmacology even found that applying castor oil can soothe the body, improving sleep quality. Here's a simple way to use it: warm a small amount of castor oil between your hands and massage it onto your scalp, focusing on the temples and back of the neck. You can also rub it into the soles of your feet to stimulate pressure points that promote relaxation. For seniors, sleep can become elusive, but with castor oil, you might finally drift off without tossing and turning. It helps you wind down naturally, leaving behind the worries of sleepless nights and restless mornings. Imagine waking up refreshed, energized, and ready to take on the day. No prescription pills, just the calming touch of this ancient remedy that's been trusted for generations. Improved blood circulation, boost your vitality. As we age, poor circulation can lead to a variety of health problems, like swelling in the legs or feet. Castor oil can help boost circulation and keep your blood flowing smoothly, which is essential for maintaining energy and vitality. By massaging castor oil into the skin, you can stimulate blood flow and reduce swelling, especially in the legs and extremities. The warming properties of the oil help dilate blood vessels, allowing more oxygen to reach your tissues. Regular use can keep your blood flowing and reduce discomfort from poor circulation. Good circulation is the foundation of feeling active and vibrant. For seniors, it's not just about comfort, it's about reducing risks. Whether it's swelling or tired legs, improving circulation with castor oil gives your body the boost it needs to keep moving, safely and naturally. It's a simple step toward improving your vitality, one gentle massage at a time. Youthful skin, combat aging naturally. We all want to keep our skin looking healthy and youthful, but as we age, our skin naturally produces less collagen, leading to dryness, wrinkles, and fine lines. Castor oil is a natural remedy that helps keep your skin hydrated and youthful looking. It's rich in fatty acids and acts as a natural emollient, meaning it locks in moisture and softens the skin. Regular use of castor oil can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, giving your skin a radiant, youthful glow. To get the best results, apply a small amount of castor oil to your face and neck before bed. It works overnight, so you wake up with skin that feels smoother, softer, and more youthful. Now imagine this: you wake up, look in the mirror, and see smoother, hydrated skin. Castor oil helps restore that youthful glow by nourishing your skin deeply. No need for expensive treatments or harsh chemicals, this is nature's way of helping you age gracefully. It's the secret to soft, radiant skin at any age. Digestive health, constipation relief. Digestive issues like constipation become more common as we age, but castor oil can offer a simple, natural solution. It acts as a mild laxative, stimulating the muscles in your intestines to promote bowel movements. If you're struggling with occasional constipation, a small amount of castor oil can provide relief. However, it's important to use it sparingly and under the guidance of your doctor. Start with 1 teaspoon on an empty stomach, followed by a glass of water. Let's face it, digestive health can be tricky as we grow older. Castor oil is a gentle way to support your system and relieve constipation without relying on harsh laxatives. It's safe, natural, and effective in helping you feel more comfortable. Regular use means smoother digestion and less discomfort. How to use castor oil safely. While castor oil offers incredible benefits, it's essential to use it safely, especially for seniors. Here are a few tips to ensure you're using it correctly. Always apply a small amount of castor oil to your skin, like on your forearm, and wait 24 hours to see if you have any reactions, such as redness or itching. Seniors need to be cautious with any new remedy, and castor oil is no different. These simple precautions ensure you get all the benefits without any unnecessary side effects. It's about using it smartly, staying hydrated, and keeping your health at the forefront. Potential side effects and when to avoid. As with any natural remedy, there are some side effects to be aware of. While rare, some people may experience mild skin irritation or redness when using castor oil topically. That's why it's so important to do a patch test first. Knowing when to avoid castor oil or spotting early signs of irritation is key to using it effectively. For seniors, being mindful of these potential side effects ensures you're using this remedy the right way and avoiding any unnecessary discomfort. Real stories, real results. I've heard incredible success stories from seniors who've experienced amazing results with castor oil. One friend told me how castor oil significantly reduced her knee pain after just a week of using it nightly. Another raved about how much softer and more hydrated her skin felt after only a few applications. Whether you're looking for joint pain relief, better sleep, or glowing skin, castor oil has the potential to transform your daily life. Unlock your health with castor oil. There you have it, castor oil, a natural powerhouse with benefits ranging from joint pain relief to better sleep, improved circulation, and youthful skin. It's one of nature's best-kept secrets, and it can help you feel healthier, more energized, and more vibrant in as little as 7 days.